Hi, I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamati, and today I'm gonna share my one ultimate skincare goal, and that is not to have dull skin. And how we can do that. If you're interested, then keep on watching because I have few tricks and tips to share. So, dull skin, why? Like, really, why? One reason can be poor cell turnover rate. Do you know your skin sheds so many dead cells every day? Let me Google the number. That's quite a lot. I mean, really a lot. So if something hampers it and your skin doesn't get exfoliated properly, then your skin can look dull. So let's target this issue first. Let me start with the body exfoliation, and for that I have our today sponsored, which is TAC or the Ayurveda Co, and their philosophy is to bring science and Ayurveda together for an effective skincare routine. And I have been using their body polisher and the body oil, and these things are working well for me. I'm going to start talking about their body polisher. So this body polisher comes in this box, and when you're going to open this box, you're going to find 4 packets. I have already finished 1 packet, so I have 3 left. So this body polisher comes in the form of powder. It has herbs like Rita, then it has rose petal, hibiscus flower powder, then it has iladi oil, triphala powder, and other herbs. We just have to mix the powder with water, then we are good to go. And I have noticed when I use this body scrub, I don't have to use a body cleanser separately. What I do, I apply this on my body, and make sure you apply this on damp skin. Then you massage for like 3 minutes. Then you leave this on for 3 more minutes. So this way it also works as a body mask. So you are getting body wash, body scrub, and body mask in one product. And this is good, and it has been working well for me this way. And after I leave it for like 3 minutes, then what I do, I again wet my skin. I massage it for one last time for like 1 minute, then I wash it off. This ritual leaves my skin smooth and glowing. Then I go in with their body oil, and it has also a blend of several herbs like iladi oil. Then we have olive oil, there's sesame oil. Then we have licorice. I really love licorice because it can even out the skin tone, and both of these products have blend of essential oils, and these things smell like herbs. The oil has light texture, doesn't feel sticky or anything. I use this oil after shower, but sometimes I also use this before shower. What I do, I massage this oil on my skin and I leave it for 30 minutes. Then I hop into the shower with their body polisher, and this body polisher and this body oil, these two work really well together. And overall, these two products, they are really good at giving soft, dewy, healthy, glowing skin. So both of these TAC products are quite good, and I'm really enjoying this in my body care routine. And if you choose to get this, I hope this works for you. So now let's talk about the face, how to exfoliate face. For that I use chemical exfoliants like AHA, BHA. These things are very good for increasing the cell turnover. If you have texture skin, dull skin, these things are excellent. My tip would be look for a chemical exfoliants that has AHA or BHA plus those skin brightening ingredients like niacinamide or licorice root extract. These things together can give your skin the enough support which is needed for glowing and healthy skin. So next we have another thing that you need to be cautious of, that is over exfoliation. Yes, exfoliation is good, but over exfoliation will lead to damaged skin barrier, who's gonna give you dull skin, unhealthy skin. So don't exfoliate your skin every day with harsh scrubs, and do it gently. Know what your skin wants. Don't overdo with these chemical pills or chemical scrubs or any scrubs. Do not use harsh manual scrubs which can lead to micro tears to your skin. Cannot be good. Be gentle and be patient with your skin. So number 3, I have noticed that people told me that they use moisturizers, then their skin look dull, and I can relate to this because I have used that Etude House sleeping pad that made my skin look dull. I think there are moisturizers which have thick sticky texture which can make your skin appear like dull. So I recommend you to stick to gel moisturizers. This can be very good. I personally prefer gel moisturizer in the morning, and at night I prefer thick moisturizers. And I have noticed when I use like lots of essences and toners, I mean hydrating products before using moisturizers, my skin looks actually better. It looks more dewy, glowing. And always apply moisturizer on damp skin. And one more thing, don't skip moisturizers. There are people like, okay, my skin doesn't like moisturizer, I'm gonna skip it. No, it may lead to dry skin, dehydrated skin, which will eventually lead to dull skin. I mean, there is a moisturizer for everyone. I have made few like moisturizer recommendations video that might help you out. I'll try to give you more recommendations. Do use moisturizer day and night. Winter or summer is gonna save your skin. So number 4, not wearing sunscreen. I'm gonna say this again and again. I know I have said this many times, but this is true. If you're not using sunscreen, your skin is gonna turn dull, and because of all the UV damage and everything, you need to protect your skin. When you're stepping out, you must apply sunscreen. If you're staying in, you don't have to be that aggressive with sunscreen game, but still you need to apply sunscreen depending on how much sun exposure your room gets. And remove your sunscreen at night properly. Use double cleansing if you need to, because if you don't remove sunscreen properly, your skin might freak out. So yeah, I have been using now these days oil cleansing, which has been working really well for me. I have been using an oil cleanser as the first step in my skincare routine these days. Then I'm going in with a gentle foaming cleanser or gel cleanser. Even I have used micellar water cream cleansers as the first cleansers, which are great. So the last thing, take a good care of yourself. I have noticed when I feel stressed, when I feel super sad, my skin looks sad, my skin looks dull. I know sometimes it's very difficult to be happy, sometimes it's just hard to smile, but all I want is that you to take a good care of yourself, and I'm sure you're doing your best. But yeah, sometimes life is confusing and everything, and things like they feel hard, but these are the phases, these are gonna go. So yeah, stay healthy mentally, physically, eat healthy stuff. I really like foods like pomegranate, then I like walnuts, and also have enough water. Hydration is very, very important. Have enough water. I know you have heard this all your life, and even I heard this, but sometimes I fail to drink enough water. So I keep on like reminding myself, okay, you have to like drink water. So yes, that's why I'm reminding you and myself as well to have enough water. Very important. Dehydrated skin, dehydrated body is not good. So yeah, that's all for now. I hope you found this to be helpful, and thank you so much for watching, and see you very soon. And it was lovely meeting you. Bye bye.